That's my computer. Yeah, only I'm live. Wait 1 second. Just for 10 minutes. I'm supposed to be working. Guys, come on in, come on in, come on in. Let's talk quickly. I'm gonna spend 10 minutes and I'll go. Come on, come on, come on. It's important. It is important that you hear me. So come on, everyone. Coachella is live. I'm gonna tell you what's going on so you don't miss out. So you're not gonna say, I didn't hear. Because it's about to go down. Come on in. Good evening. Welcome, everybody. Come on in. Come on in. Happy Thursday. Testimony Thursday. Testimony Thursday. Come on, come on. Let me tell you something. Since we started our immigration consultation training, since day one, we've been winning on this end. It's been winning. It's all winning. Testimony. Honestly, I'm just grateful to God for everything. He's been faithful. Everything has been going as planned. So if you are looking for opportunity where you can quickly turn your certification, turn your training into earning, right? Learning, earning. If that's what you are for, if that's what you need, if that's what you're about, tap into immigration consultation. I can't say more. I can't. That's what you need to do. The way that you're going to turn all of this learning and set up into physical cash return on your investment, how you can make your money right away, immigration consultation is the go-to. I told you guys, but y'all don't listen. Y'all need to trust your coach. Y'all need to trust the process. And that's what we're talking about in 2025. So many opportunities I have laid out for you. And I have more. My team can tell you, like just this morning, God put a strong idea and we're going to go for that post-conference towards 2021. We're going to start this new strategy right after conference, and we're taking it in 2026. But before we get to conference, if you're looking to make money, if you're looking for business opportunity that can fetch you money, you do definitely want to look into immigration consultation. And just because of our severe needs, the urgent needs, the mass requests for consultation, I have decided to bring back the class, right? I'm reteaching this course in June. So I'm going to have another session. But for those, like one lady reached out to me and said she can't, if it doesn't fit your schedule for one reason or the other, I am going to have the replay. So you can watch the replay. Let me tell you, but I strongly recommend that you come to class to come and get those hands-on experience because we're doing a lot. Tomorrow we're going to have a role play. We're going to do role play where 2 people will be put together. They've been paired tonight, and one will be the consultant and the other will be the client, and they will take turn like that. We're working, and I don't know if you've seen those testimony. They're getting booked right now. All you have to invest is $9.99, $1,000, and you are guaranteed of your return on investment. As I speak, if you tune into your any news station, any TV station at all, any news TV station, everything they talk about right now is immigration. Our immigrants are on their seats looking for assistance to get their family reunited, to get everything going. So they need your service, they need your support. So if you're looking for a way to make your money back, you're looking for return on your investment, you might as well want to tap into these resources, like into this opportunity as I speak. And for those of you that were my immigrants, consultants, you didn't do anything with what you have, you might as well get up right now and go get to work. We're working, and I've shared the testimony, and I'll continue to share the testimony. Tomorrow we're going to do role play, hands-on role play. I strongly recommend that you sign up for my next opportunity. Like I said, this training is refined, is accelerated, it is mission-driven, purpose-driven. There's no way you're going to come out of this class that you don't know. If you were to test any of my students right now, they know what they're talking about. They know their content. They know basic stuff. They know how to consult. They can consult. They have the script, the template, everything. Like, I went far and beyond to make this a good training, refined, defined. You know what I'm talking about? It's me now. You should trust. You know now. You know. We don't carry last here. We don't carry last for a year. Oh. That's what we're doing. I'm telling you. So I encourage you, if you're looking for a way to make money. And look, some of you have asked this question. I said I was going to go live, and I'm not live, but I was going to host a session on frequently asked question on immigration consultation that I know some of you probably have questions here and there. One of the frequently asked questions is, do you need to be a native speaker? Do you have to speak other language? No, you don't have to speak any other language. Like, just speak your English. Half of the population that I have right now, the current cohort, none of them speak any other language. I speak English. We speak English. We gonna do it. Worst case scenario, we need translation. We can translate. Why would you let translation or language be a barrier to you making money? Like, what does that have to do? Don't we have translators? Like, what is that? So these are just the common frequently asked questions, and I was going to address that. So yeah, you don't need no translator. You don't need to speak any foreign language. Just come with yourself. Come ready. Get ready to consult. Come and become a consultant. Come and help these individuals with my strategy. I have strategy. Like, my formula works. Even attorneys will take my class because they want to learn. Yeah, they've been in school for years. They went to law school. Yeah, they do all those cases. But listen, they don't have this strategy. Who talks better? Who teaches you the process better than the person that has been through the process? It's your girl now, you know. So you might want to check that out if you want to make money, if you need return on investment. Listen, immigration consultation is the go-to. I'm telling you right now. All right, that's enough. That's that about immigration consultation. I just don't want you to miss your money. I don't want you to lose it and start crying that, you want to make money. I've told you, you want money. Now, I'm also dropping money. I already have contracts. I'm giving you money. If you want money, all you have to do is get the VIP tickets, right? I opened 25 new slots for new VIP, brand new tickets. Brand new. If you're looking for readily available work, I got you. Readily available work. All you just have to do is come get ready. For those of you that have fully paid your money, you know we've reached out to you. You are going to onboard with us on the 24th. So you have no excuses or no chance to say you're not going to make money. If you are looking for ready-made opportunity, that's what we call the ready-made opportunity. I have you and I got you, right? If you're looking for money, I can get you paid. I can get you paid, okay? Although some of you have asked, can you do this? The ready-made opportunity is only available right now as we speak in Maryland. So you can staff, you can hire, you can train. We have all the training made for you. The training is there. Everything is available for you, ready-made, and you are able to staff and start to make money. Okay, that is on the opportunity we have right now. So you can partner with us and collaborate with us and start to make money with the existing contract we have here in Maryland. However, on top of the opportunity, I'm going to give you the same blueprint on how I got my contract in Maryland, and you will duplicate those in your state. In your state. That's right. You heard me right. So, but you have to come to conference, right, to get the blueprint. But if you want to start to make money right away, I have an opportunity for you. All you have to do is secure your VIP ticket, and you will be able to come on board with us and help us manage these funds that are available right away. We got funds. We got funds. I put all of my VIPs, okay, on payroll. On payroll. So if you want me to pay you, I just need your support. I need you to grab your ticket and count yourself in the game. That's it. In the game. I'm the game changer. You already know. I am the game changer. We change things here. We don't talk. We do. See, we don't be talking. We like everything to show for itself. We don't. No, that's past. You know what I mean? So we're not talking too much. We just executing. We actioning. We going straight to point. We're not wasting time. So I have released brand new 25. And I know this ticket would not last long. You know what I mean? Y'all have been calling me, and I know some people are on standby. You all were just waiting for me to release. I'm gonna tell you right now, the good news is that we have 25 new tickets for VIP for you to come and partner with us, grab your seats and get paid right here. Okay, so the opportunity is readily available. You can get on our payroll as soon as tomorrow, and we pay you and you start working. Who does that anywhere? Which conference do you go that they give you money? No, talk to me. Which conference have you been to and they start to give you money? Okay, here we go. All right, so on top of that, that's just partnership, right? You're gonna work, you're gonna get money. I'm also going to, if you're a VIP ticket holder, you're gonna get the trainer. I will train you to become a trainer. I will train you to become an HR consultant, where you are going to be consulting for HR. You would also be leveraging our ecosystem and be telling them, you'll be able to tell them about the ecosystem, how they can collaborate on contract, how we can put them on what? Contract opportunity. So while you're in there training them, training their staff, helping them to become compliant with DOT, you are also going to be able to tell them about contract and collaboration. That's what I have for you. Who does that? Who is doing all of this? If not for God. This is God's doing, and it is marvelous in our sight. And we are going to walk in this purpose with purpose and profits. That's what we're going to do for the remainder of the year and forward. So, on top of the trainer that you're going to get as a VIP, what else? I have bridged the gap for you. This lab account that becomes a problem, like a lot of people don't even know what they're doing. When I see some comments, some posts, I'm like, you are still here talking about this. This is 2025, okay? So this one here, I bridged the gap. What we are going to do is that my lab people will help you get and secure you a lab account for phlebotomy. We are helping you to do all that. And I know you've been watching my lives. I told you about the 500,000 opportunity where you only just need one client. Listen, I don't feel like talking because I talk too much. You know what I want you to do? Let's just get to work. Let's act. Go and buy your tickets and leave the rest. Leave the rest to God and conference. Just come. Go and grab your tickets. For those of you that have gotten your ticket, tell them. So, because I have to go, my husband is waiting for me. See, he gonna beat me if I don't wrap this up in a minute. So let me go back to mommy and wifey mode, okay? When you see this thing, you know what it means. Okay. Let me go back to my wifey mode. But before I go back to wifey mode, I want you to please take an opportunity, take advantage. Don't always miss out. There isn't any next time. This is the time. The time has come. So go grab your ticket. We have 25 brand new VIP tickets that we've released, and we want you to take advantage. I personally want you to take advantage of those. We are going to put you on our payroll. You will be able to staff. You can work from anywhere. You don't have to be in Maryland. It's not required. And you'll be able to do all that. I know some of you have questions for me. Go ahead and book a time with me. Slide in my inbox. Do what you have to do if you have more questions for me. But these tickets are going to go like now, today. Okay? Like soon. That's what I mean. So please take advantage, and I'll see you. I gotta go. If you are looking for the other things that will come with the VIP tickets, it's on the website. Just go to richesindiagnostic.com, and that's where you will find all the information on conference. I can't wait to see you guys in person. It's been a minute and we can't wait. Planning is in play, and by next 2 months or thereabout, we're going to release and showcase all of our speakers. So yeah, that's how we're going to roll. We're just going to be making this money without wasting time. So if you're looking for ready-made available opportunity, it's right now. So you can get your tickets and be plugged into this opportunity. I love you guys, and I'll be back again for sure tomorrow. Oh, as I was going to leave, I just remember. I want to tell you this. Only wait, give me a minute. My husband is in my head. I can't even think anymore. Let me tell you what's going to happen. I am going to hire on the spot 5 trainers at the conference. I have ready work for you. I told you about my 2026 goal, right? What is my goal for 2026? It is to place a lot of businesses with ready-made opportunity. Ready-made. That guy is upset. He's leaving. Ready-made. Only come. Ready-made opportunity. Ready-made opportunity. And that's what we're going to do in 2026. So I'm going to be staffing and hiring some of you. My VIP, my training trainer, I have some opportunities for you. We are in the building phase right now. Once we build everything out, it will be ready towards the end of this year. And I can start to present those opportunities to you. So get ready. You might as well want to go get your tickets right now and secure those certificates. I need my trainers. My trainers, I have opportunity for you. So you can only take advantage of that opportunity as a trainer. All right. So I got to go. All right, guys. It's going to move out. Okay. Oh, it's too late now. I got it. But anyway, I got to go. I will talk to you again soon. As soon as tomorrow, for sure. All right. Bye, y'all.